Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change username on the Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Instagram application. So after this you can see profile at the bottom right corner, so click on it, and then you can see three lines on the top right corner. So after this click on account center and then click on profile, and after this click on Instagram, and here you can see username, so click on username. So here you can see a username, so choose the another username. So after choosing the username, so you can see done option, so click on done and then click on done options. So here wait some second, so you can see username is changed. So guys, in this way you can change username on the Instagram application. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.